What's up, guys? Welcome to MSP Kitchen. Today in the kitchen we are working with drinks, and this drink is brought to you by QC Shrubs. So QC Shrubs, it's a hard cider. Correction, QC Shrubs Blackberry. It's a sparkling malt beverage. It's not a hard cider, but it does have a splash of apple cider vinegar. So correcting myself. Beverage, so it's alcoholic, but it's not one of those like basic John hard seltzers, something that you can really drink and get down with. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a gin and tonic with blackberries and something delicious. Using the QC Shrub as your alternative to a tonic for a gin and tonic is a great way to drop calories. Each can is about 90 calories, so it's way less than a traditional tonic. And if you're looking for flavor, you get rid of that sweet and kind of like achy taste for a more vibrant, even a crisper, drier flavor that really lets you experience the notes of your gin in your mix. To get the flavors out of your mints and your basils and even your cilantro sometimes when you're adding them to a drink, give it a little slap. It brings the oils out and gives more flavor to your beverage.